Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to change my apartment guys. I have new furnitures and new sofa, new entryway sideboard, new coffee table guys. My home will be fire for this holiday season. As you can see guys, this video is in collaboration with A Living that sent me all those furnitures guys to show you how you can make your home look extremely beautiful on a budget guys. Okay guys, I'm going to start with this beautiful luxury pieces, Cassandra Common. It's a sideboard buffet guys. It's luxuriously made, super easy to put together. 90% of the process you don't need tools, and guys it's so nice guys. The quality of the material it's exquisite. And guys, if you're on a budget and you're looking for something very nice, very modern, this one can be a super great option. As you can see guys, the material it's super nice, the marble and everything is so well done, and A Living did a super good job with this piece. I really love it. And guys, as you can see, the design is so nice and it's a great way to upgrade your home. This piece guys features 4 fixed shelves and 2 adjustable ones. The breastplate metal base is durable and resistant to water, rust and corrosion. The maple pattern veneered top adds elegance and is easy to maintenance. Unique design and color coordination enhance it refined look with anti-slip strap included for safety. The link will be in the description box down below guys. If you are looking for something like that, make sure to check it out. Alright guys, let's go decorate the entryway and keep on watching. Like I said before guys, I love to start with my entryway like that. I have a perfect idea with all the colors and flowers I'm going to put in throughout my entire apartment guys. I'm starting with my perfect glass that I find from TJ Maxx, and guys, like I said, they're not really easy like affordable price the way they were before, but at TJ Maxx I was able to pay them for $3.99, which is good because they leave my mirror strike free, so that's why I like them, and they last me for a very long time. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every one of you. I love you all and keep on watching.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
I really love this sideboard guys, make my home look so luxurious. The design, the style, the color, it's everything is very beautiful. It has an ample of storage capacity. 4 doors provide well protect and easy to access your items. 6 shelves in total for efficient organization of all your essentials. Adjustable middle shelves optimize storage space and maximize efficiency. Guys, if you are somebody that stores charger plates and you have some large items, this one can be very useful for you. Not only you're gonna have a super nice storage capacity item, and it's very stylish. Guys, you can go on with this and I really love it. So the color and everything is super nice, so A Living did it, so I really love it. The link will be in the description box down below guys. If you are looking for something like that, feel free to check it out because I have some coupon for you guys. It's gonna give you some discount on your purchase, so make sure to check the link down below. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, abonnez, abonner et puis partagez vidéo avec vos amis. Dans vidéo ça va montrer qui gens moi a décoré appartement moyen pour saison fête là. Si nou remel, pa oublier la gon grand commentaire et puis like vidéo. Et puis m'a mette link dans boîte description si nou ta remè gen même fourniture ensemble avec moi, so n'a ka joindre plus facile. Et so pas la première fois tout merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez regarder les vidéos, moi remè non. I have this beautiful vase from Home Goods and the lamp from Amazon. And guys, everything that I'm using in the video, I'm going to try to leave them in the box down below. If anything that you like, you can check them out. And guys, this lamp, I got it as well. I have 2 of them. I'm using one on my coffee table by the sofa and one in the entryway. The candle holders from Amazon, guys, they're really nice. I think I 12 of them, but I'm going to use a couple of them in the entryway and save them for another decor. And guys, those flowers from Hobby Lobby, I wanted to put some greenery, but I changed my mind, so I'm using those flowers instead. And I think the price dropped again. I'm going to see if I can find some more because they're really nice for this season. And guys, in the back where you see the planter, the black planter, I'm going to change it to put a white one because last week my home I had a black decor, so I'm going to change it to add a white planter to make it to coordinate everything the same way as the entryway turns out right now. Okay guys, you can put anything that you already pre-made, like they sell plant like with the vase, you can do that, but me, I prefer do my arrangement because it helped me move my floral from place to place, change the vase if I want to. It's optional, but you can just buy anything that already they already made them. They have them available also at the store.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys.
Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.